Welcome to Developer Guide. In this video, I will introduce you Node.js and why we use Node.js. So first of all, what is Node.js? So Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server side. It is built on Chrome V8 engine, making JavaScript run fast and efficiently outside the browser. So पहले क्या होता था कि JavaScript जो थी हमारी JavaScript क्लाइंट साइड है, तो वो सिर्फ ब्राउज़र पर रन होती थी। अगर हमें ब्राउज़र से इसको आउटसाइड यानी कि सर्वर साइड को रन करना है, हमें इसको Node.js को यानी कि जावास्क्रिप्ट को अगर हमें सर्वर साइड पर रन करना है तो हमें Node.js का यूज़ करना होगा। Why we use Node.js? The second point is Node.js is because of it is the non-blocking and asynchronous. That means handle multiple requests efficiently. Non-blocking means कोई भी request block नहीं होगी. Asynchronous means in parallel execution of the code. And this is a single threaded and event-driven architecture and works great for APIs, real-time apps, and microservices. So it is used for real-time APIs, real-time applications, developing APIs, and building the microservices architecture like creating the user services. If we discuss about the e-commerce project like creating the user services, product services, ratings and review services. So this is the microservice architecture. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.